What's the latest in the Trump hush money case, you might ask? Well, it's quite a complex story, but let's break it down. First, let's rewind to the year 2023. Former President Donald Trump faced potential indictment by a Manhattan grand jury for a pre-election payment to Stormy Daniels. This case drew parallels to John Edwards' successful defense against similar charges. Trump's legal team argued that the payment was intended to protect his family, not deceive voters. The crux of the case? Whether the payment violated campaign finance laws. Trump denied the affair, asserting no crime was committed. The credibility of key witnesses, including Michael Cohen, became crucial. Prosecutors began considering charges related to falsifying business records. The complexity? Linking state and federal laws in a potential criminal case against a former federal candidate. Fast forward to April in the same year. Lawyers for Trump requested a 1-month delay for the start of a sexual assault and defamation trial. The reason? A so-called cooling-off period following Trump's indictment for falsifying business records related to hush money payments. His attorney argued that intense media coverage of the criminal charges could bias potential jurors. The accuser, E. Jean Carroll, opposed the delay, asserting that a fair jury could still be selected in New York City. Manhattan prosecutors brought charges against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records to conceal hush money payments related to the 2016 campaign. The case presented legal complexities as prosecutors aimed to prove felony charges based on the intent to conceal or further another crime. Legal experts were divided on the strength of the case, with some expressing skepticism and others seeing a plausible path to conviction. The case could potentially lead to years of litigation and may ultimately reach the U.S. Supreme Court. In the ongoing trial, the process of jury selection hit a snag. Several potential jurors were excused for expressing doubts about their ability to remain impartial. This underscored the delicate nature of the case and the intense scrutiny surrounding it. Trump, maintaining his innocence, pleaded not guilty to all charges. The trial holds significant implications, not only for Trump, but also for the broader political and legal landscape, given his status as a former president. As the jury selection process resumes, the court continues its efforts to ensure a fair and unbiased panel to adjudicate the case. In summary, this is a case that has rippled through the political landscape, causing waves of controversy and debate. The key points to remember are the charges of falsifying business records, the potential violation of campaign finance laws, and the ongoing jury selection process. The trial's outcome could have far-reaching implications, not only for Trump, but for the very fabric of American politics. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds. That's all for today's breakdown of the Trump hush money case. As we discussed, the key points to remember are the charges of falsifying business records, the potential violation of campaign finance laws, and the ongoing jury selection process. This case is a testament to the complexities of our legal and political systems, and its outcome could have wide-ranging implications. Now, if you found this video insightful and want to keep up with more unbiased breakdowns of current events, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide in-depth analysis of complex legal cases like this one. We appreciate your time and your interest in understanding the deeper layers of these critical incidents. As always, we strive to bring you the most accurate and timely information possible. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends and family who might also be interested in this topic. Stay tuned for more updates, and as we always say, happy watching.